It was a brisk late May day as Blizzard Bike Club riders set out from Cecil Lake towards their turnaround point at Clearview Elementary School in Goodloe. The 12 cyclists rode in neutral for most of the first half of the race to hone their skills riding in a group. But once they got to the turnaround point, that's when things really got kicked into another gear. With a few riders falling off due to flat tires, 6 riders pulled ahead of the pack led by Ard Hugenboom. Coming around the final turn, the pack had thinned to 5 with Hugenboom still out front. Throughout the final stretch, with the riders facing a bit of a headwind, they took turns in the pole position, dropping back to save energy and calculating when to make their attack. In the final few hundred meters, Hugenboom and Darren Guliov pulled ahead and looked like they were headed for a sprint finish. But about 200 meters from the finish line, Guliov got a flat tire, meaning Hugenboom was able to cruise in for the victory.
I at first couldn't believe it, so I looked around, oh, he's not here, and then I saw he was slowing down. I think, okay, now I keep on going, and yeah. But I feel sorry for him, like it is a competition, but it's nice to go to the finish and then sprint it out.
Hugenboom said when he was making his attacks on the final stretch, he wasn't sure if he was going to be able to pull out the win.
I gave it the first attempt and got 3 guys with me. Wasn't sure if I would make it, but then the second attempt I only got Darren with me, and on the last couple of 100 meters he had a flat tire, so I was lucky.
Coming up for the Blizzard Bike Club is a busy weekend with a bit of a twist. Some riders will be heading to Grand Prairie for a mountain bike race, which serves as a qualifier for the Alberta Summer Games. Meanwhile, others will be putting their swimming and running abilities to the test, as well as their biking in the Fort St. John Triathlon. Peter Houston, CJDC TV Sports, Cecil Lake.